If you love Dodo Ikire and you have always wondered how it's made, you have just found the right video. Today we will journey to Ikire together to make the authentic Dodo Ikire, and I'll also show you how to achieve the typical cone shape of Dodo Ikire. That's something I searched long and hard for. Please watch this video without skipping so you can catch all the tips. Hello everyone, welcome to another cooking show. Let's begin. To make the authentic Dodo Ikire, you're going to need overripe plantains, very ripe but not rotten. You know that type that once it gets into hot oil, it becomes so soft, almost falling apart into the oil. Yes, that's the type you need. Once you have your plantains, clean them up and cut them into chunks like I'm doing right now. No need to mash or blend the plantains. I have seen recipes where the plantain is blended roughly. You don't need to do that, and very soon you're going to see why. Once you're done cutting up the plantain, set it aside and heat up a pan. Add enough palm oil to fry the plantains. Forgive my manners. Hello everyone, my name is Remy and I share authentic Niger recipes on this channel. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe so you can see many more of this. So once the oil is heated up, I added chopped onions and almost immediately I added the plantains as well. I'll let this sit for a few minutes, and in no time you should see the plantains start to get so soft and you can just easily use your spoon to mash. Like I am doing right now, it's very easy. I tell you, it takes almost no effort at all. I have a lot of authentic Niger recipes on my channel. If you love good food and you love authentic Niger recipes, you can check them out after this one. After mashing roughly, I added a bit of salt. Please note that I am frying these on low heat. You want to make sure that this Dodo Ikire doesn't get that false brown color, so to speak. It needs to cook through and fry slowly so it can be dry. This helps it to last long. If you know Dodo Ikire, you know that it doesn't get spoiled easily. Also make sure to stay around so you can continue to stir at intervals. The first time I saw the making of Dodo Ikire was at EBERIPO in Osun State some 13 years ago. Continue to toss and it shouldn't take long for the change to happen. The plantain will get darker, it will reduce also, losing a lot of moisture. At this point, I will add crushed chili flakes with a lot of the seeds. You know the pepper seeds add a good kind of drama to Dodo Ikire. Guys, we are getting so close to the finish line. At this point, just a few more minutes and it will be ready, looking like this. You want to make sure that the color, this brown color, this deep brown color is uniform. Yes, that's how you know that Dodo Ikire is ready. So I took it out of the oil and then with that spoon, I pressed out some more excess oil. Don't worry, we are still going to extract more oil. After this, let it cook for just a bit. Molding into the typical Dodo Ikire shape has to be done while it's still hot. Now get a funnel. Yes, funnel, that's what is used to achieve the typical Dodo Ikire shape. Take a small amount of the Dodo Ikire each time, stuffing it into the funnel, and with a thick stick like this, push it down the funnel. I am using the handle of one of my cooking spoons, which I already washed. Doing this will serve two purposes. One, it will help you achieve the cone shape. Two, it will help to extract excess oil from the Dodo Ikire. This is how you make the Dodo Ikire shape. As you can see, this is a tray on which I placed the funnel, and you can see the amount of oil that came out of the Dodo Ikire. Once it cools completely, it will harden and firm up really well. And there you have it, authentic Dodo Ikire. How you enjoy this is totally up to you, as a snack or pair it with something else. I am so certain that if you make your Dodo Ikire like this, everyone will be asking you if you got it from Ikire. Let me know in the comments when last you ate Dodo Ikire. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you with another amazing recipe. Bye bye. And make sure you try this recipe.